Hello everyone. Today we are going to see how can we upload our inventory data into CRMJIO. So you have to log in into your CRMJIO account and go to inventory section and click on products. After clicking products, you can see the list of products you have uploaded previously. For now, uploading new data, you have to click to upload and then download the template. After downloading template, look at the template, which are the mandatory fields are first of all you have to fill the categories, and second is item name. You must have to fill category, item names, and the device details, that is this. And after filling device details, you have to fill the on hand quantity. Then you also have to fill the cost price of that product or items, and there are a bunch of things you can fill according to your needs and the data. So I have some uploaded I have created an Excel file to upload, so I am just opening my file. Okay, so I have to just open my file. Look at this. I have filled some data to upload my inventory, like there is a parts, categories, and also item name, manufacturer. It's not required with the manufacturer, but you can put it, and the device details, and also fill the supplier name and on hand quantity. Looks like this 5 pieces or quantity. You can also add like this, like 10, 20, like that's fine. Then I have added a cost price and also added retail price. And if the products carries some warranty, you can fill this, like warranty must be in this format. Like if you are giving the warranty, it must be a number, and if you are filling the warranty, you should also fill the warranty time frame, that is will be applicable, like days, months, years, and lifetime, right? So if there is no warranty, you can fill 0 and go on. So I'm just closing this, and I will show how can we upload it. So just click on choose the files. After choosing this, will be select your file document and click on upload, and then finally click on the upload file, right? Your inventory data will be uploaded. So look at this. These are your inventory, and for checking new data, you can click on the inventory. These are the inventory of your, these are the new data from your inventory. You can search like this. Okay, so if you have to search something like this. Okay, so these are the data you have uploaded. You can see the quantity and the size, quantity and the stocks, and also adjust stock. You can see the total cost prices, average, and retail price. And you also can see these are the items name, item list. Like I have a total 139 items, and 139 items, and also 641 stock. Okay, so by following these steps, you can also add the products into your inventory. If you want to upload any images in this product, you can also put there the link of that image and just save it. Okay.